COVID is real and it kills. The vaccines still have a long way to come. Yes, it is promising. Come 2021 is a year of blessings. We're going to have the vaccine, but it is still some good months to come. So the best treatment yet, the best vaccine is observe the SOPs.
The Ministry of Health says that some of the districts considered to have rapid spread of the virus will be locked down until they can contain and manage the situation, as it was the case in the beginning when the President declared a lockdown.
And other districts. So this depends on the risk profiling that our technical team, the scientists have analyzed. Doesn't come from a blue. You don't just look at the case in one day. You don't look at the case just in 2 days. You look at cumulative cases, the activities taking place within the district. We look at the population and many other criteria that we use to come up with the high-risk districts. And for that matter, these districts, we need to reduce active movements. We need to reduce mass gathering of people. That is the only way we can flatten the curve. If we continue allowing mass gathering, we continue allowing, most especially the political gathering, the mass gathering, then we are going to finish up our people.
Minister Kadoshi also calls upon the public to be careful when it comes to burial of their loved ones who have passed away due to the pandemic, keeping in mind safety and dignity.
As a ministry, we recommended 1, all bodies shall be appropriately wrapped and put in a shield bag or in a shield coffin, so that once this is released to the family, they should not open the body. 2, we recommend the families, they must not at any point open the coffin, or they must not open the bag that has been shielded.
Ugandans need to be vigilant since we are in the 4th stage of the pandemic. Beyond that, it will be trouble because of the more increasing cases, especially in Kampala.
March, April, May, June, July, up to August, we did very well. And this was the time when these measures were all put in place, when people were adhering to set standards. But from the month of September, look at the sharp increment. October, it came down a little bit. But the month of November, the cases went very, very sharp up to the month of December, up to date. That shows that something is wrong somewhere. And if we continue with that graph, in the month of January, we are likely to double up that number. In the month of February, it might be worse than what we are seeing right now.
Many activities like mass gatherings will be banned to avoid further spread of the virus should the case arise. Sandra Kahonde, UBC News.